Look down the middle, there's like a line down the middle.
Today, we've got a review on Shine Armor ceramic coating and Shine Armor's nano glass coating. So the passenger side will not have anything on it, just be cleanly washed. We're gonna do the driver's side glass and the nano glass coating. The same thing on the driver's side. We're gonna use their ceramic spray on the paint job. Okay, so it just wipes these water spots right off, just barely touching it, right? Come over to this side, you just keep wiping and wiping and water spots don't even move. So here's the side without, here's the side with. Look at the difference in that, that's crazy. Ceramic coating is working.